In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in your Constant Contact email campaign. Fonts do a lot more than make text look pretty. They guide the reader's eye, reinforce your brand voice, and determine how easily your message can be understood at a glance. So let's walk through a simple, reliable way to update your font choice and confirm it looks great before you send. Start by opening your Constant Contact email campaign. This takes you to the campaign's overview where you can see the content you're about to work with. Make sure you're in the correct campaign, especially if you have multiple versions or drafts, so the changes appear exactly where you expect. Next, click Edit to open the email builder. The builder loads your layout and shows all the individual elements, text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers in an organized workspace. Give it a second to fully load so the formatting tools appear. That ensures the text toolbar is ready when you select something to modify. Find the text block you want to change and select it. Text blocks are separate from images and buttons, so be sure you're clicking directly on the area with the words you intend to update. When the block is active, you'll see the text cursor and your formatting options will light up. If you only want to change part of the text, highlight that section. If you want the entire block to share one font, you can apply the change without highlighting anything. Open the font drop down in the text toolbar. This menu lives above your text and displays the current font name. Clicking it reveals the list of available fonts. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure the text block is still selected. Choose the font you want to use. As you pick, think about readability first. Clean, web-friendly fonts tend to display consistently across devices and email clients. Consider how the font complements your brand voice. Serif fonts can feel more traditional, while sans serif fonts often read as modern and minimal. Remember that fonts affect line breaks and spacing, so keep an eye on how headlines and body copy wrap as soon as you make the switch. Finally, preview the email to make sure the font looks readable. Use the preview to check both desktop and mobile views. Scan headings, subheadings, and paragraphs and look for any awkward breaks or cramped lines. If anything feels hard to read, return to the builder and adjust your font selection until the text feels comfortable, balanced, and consistent throughout your message.